Hello and welcome back to Her Atlas. Today's Atlas Abroad video is just a little weekend in Japan with my friends. On Saturday, I took a day trip to Hiroshima. We went and explored a temple, ate lunch, went to a garden, and then on Sunday, I went on a sunset boat ride. So I hope you like this week's vlog. Before we get started, I have a little surprise for you. If you guys are struggling to figure out what you want for Christmas or what to gift somebody else, why don't you guys give the gift of snacks? Today's video is sponsored by my friends over at Boksu. I've worked with them in previous videos and you guys absolutely loved their snack boxes. I had a lot of fun reading your DMs and seeing you guys tag me in your Instagram stories. This holiday season, I am actually sending a few of these Boksu boxes to my family members and friends. One of the things that I love and support most about Boksu is that they are a small business and they in turn support and help other family-owned businesses in Japan. And some of those family businesses are over 100 years old. Make sure you guys use the link in my description or this code and get your hands on your very first Boksu box. They make a great gift, or you can just add it to your own wish list. I'm gonna do this one. Go in. It worked. That one didn't want to work.
I feel like this one's the best.
I like that one.
That is beautiful.
Hi and welcome back to my channel. What else do you say?
Say whatever you want.
Please follow me, Georgia in Japan.
Mitakidera Temple is a Buddhist temple here in Hiroshima, and it is absolutely stunning. If you are visiting the city, please make it to the grounds here. It's beautiful.
It's getting cooler. I'm a little bit chilly.
It's like an unopened lotus and an opened lotus. We were also discussing how even though in Hiroshima there was a bombing, it still doesn't feel very like heavy and dark like other places that may have had something devastating happen. And one of those reasons is because it's actually somebody's job here in Hiroshima to pray for like the lost souls every day. And you can really feel the peace here.
You write something and then you put it in the purified water.
Ah.
But I'm not sure if it's like, if it's something that you need purified in life or if it's just a wish. I'm not 100% sure on that. It's bamboo.
Like
oh, it's bamboo? Oh. Wow.
These are so beautiful. And it looks like they may come over here, but they're put over here to dry. If anybody can help us understand, I would greatly appreciate. Yeah, I'm always down to eat. You don't have to ask me twice. Oh, ma mori.
Good luck charms.
Good luck charms. But these ones are for traffic safety.
Yep.
This one is for children.
Yep.
This one and these three are for all around safety. This one is for travel.
Yes.
And I am repeating what Georgia told me. She's making sure I paid attention.
You are so knowledgeable. Your kanji is amazing.
And then this The top is for Hiroshima, right?
Yep.
This is for this temple,
Yeah, Mitaki-dera.
Takidera, so people will always know where it came from.
Yes.
This is a good fortune, and the fortune's in the bottom.
Yep, you have to pull it out his butt.
Should I do it?
Arigatou gozaimashita. I am taking over Her Atlas's YouTube page. So we've just finished that Mitaki temple and we are going to hop on our bikes and cycle to Cantina.
Plug.
Whoop whoop, Cantina. You really need to go if you're in Hiroshima.
We're watching Maple Sushi to figure out.
Ari, I'm watching this for you. Mariana, we just really wanted you to be here with us, so we thought we'd bring you along.
ぜひ登録してください。あまり日本語使わないけど英語の勉強になるかもしれない。
Are you ready?
We're gonna try.
はい。ぜひ
ぜひ
登録
登録
して
して
ください。
ください。
What did I say? 登録
登録ぜひ登録
Can we do it?
ぜひ登録してください。
Good job. You did it.
What type of food does Cantina have?
Tex-Mex.
Okay.
And it's the best Tex-Mex you'll get in all of Japan.
All of Japan. Okay, we're ready.
These are all cherry blossom trees.
Oh, I love that.
Spring, it's so beautiful.
Cantina 23 in Hiroshima is owned by one of Georgia's really good friends, so we came by to get a quick bite. I was really excited about the menu, especially when I saw that they had chicken and waffles. I'm from North Carolina, so this just really spoke to my soul and it did not disappoint. My friend Tanya is a really talented photographer and she loves taking portraits wherever she goes, so the owner let her take a few of him as well. Now we're headed to another park in the city. I feel like a really pretty jungle.
I want to live in one of those apartments with the view of the garden.
Oh, could you imagine?
So good. It's Italian. I highly recommend it.
Oh, the oysters outside. Ooh. Wow.
Because
Oh, I feel like we should try macaroon too.
I want to do takeaway. I want to get a little box of them. They're so cute.
They're so cute. I love the high tea set.
Yeah.
That would be fun to come back and do.
Caitlin.
Georgia's trying to take a photo on Instagram stories. And she thinks that there's a timer and there's not. She thinks there's no timer.
I swear I know what I'm doing.
Excuse me while I film your food. Thank you. This looks delicious. Thanks for the food.
It smells
porn.
so
It does smell
good.
good. And this one is a strawberry cake. Look at the design.
Oh, that's so cute.
Flowers. Hi. Ooh. Arigato. Mmm. Ooh. Somebody remind us we're not allowed in public together. Okay, bye. We're tired. Sunday. A sunset boat ride to Miyajima. One of my friends that lives here has a family friend who owns a boat, and we're going on a sunset boat ride with him today.
I forgot that you're gluten-free.
Are you guys pouring your wine?
Hi.
Oh, this is so cute.
果物アレルギーはある方おられますか？
Do you have allergy to fruits? No.
沖さんちょっと今忙しいので、
はい、ありがとう。
あと
Is it champagne?
しましょうか。
そうだ。
それはソーダ？
ああ、じゃあジンジャーエール。
ありがとうございました。
があるんですけど、天然のそれが厳島神社の社殿のこうマークになってるらしいんです。
He is taking us to a very isolated shrine. It's the original shrine of Itsukushima, which is Miyajima Island. This is the shrine that people would go to before the big one was installed, and the only way to get to it right now is by boat, or you can walk, but it would take 4 hours. They're coming to show off, I feel it.
I think he needs some cheers. Hospitality.
Should we cheer? Ganbatte! So we just kayaked from the boat to here. Hi, Ellie. So we're the only ones at this shrine, which is super cool. Who put this here and how did they put it here, and I want to know how often people come to visit. Well, yeah, and these look newish. They don't look old or too old. And it's normal somebody takes care of it, right? To keep it clean. It's so cute. Wow, you can see all of our snacks. Like aggressive. Cheers! This is what's important right now. Bean dip. Look how calm the water is. This is what the inside of the boat looks like. At some point he spent like 3 years sailing in the Pacific Ocean. Little decorations. There's a bed in there. The little sink. The stovetop. This is where he made the espressos earlier. Lots of storage. And then in here is where the toilet is. And storage. So there's the toilet. Louder now, you could take it. Because the engine's not I think we're sitting on the ropes he needs to get them out. These ones, right? They just rubbed our butts. This is so beautiful. 番学生。
あ、出てる。あ